Good morning, everyone. So, in this lecture of performance and reward management, we will be studying about the procedure of doing job evaluation in the organization. In last lecture, we have discussed about the concept of job evaluation, which is job evaluation is basically ranking of all the jobs in the organization on the basis of their relative worth. So it is basically ranking of job, not the job holder. Now we need to discuss the process of job evaluation. Though the common objective of job evaluation is to establish relative worth of job in the organizational structure, but there is no common procedure for job evaluation followed by the organization. Every organization follow different methods of job evaluation, which we have discussed in last lecture also. uh, as such, the procedure of job evaluation may also vary from organization to organization. For example, some organization may have the job evaluation procedure consisting of 8 stage or 9 stage or 10 stages, depending upon the need of the organization or need of the evaluating that particular job. However, in the model pro forma, it contains 8 steps of job evaluation. So first stage is choose scheme, which is also known as preliminary stage. At this stage, the setting of job evaluation program is done. The required information obtained about the present arrangement decisions are made on the need of new program or revision of any existing program, and clear cut choice is made of type of program is to be used by the organization. So at this stage, which methods need to be used for the job evaluation can be decided. Now we move on to second stage, which is plan the program stage, which is also known as planning stage. In this stage, the evaluation program is drawn up or the prepared in black and white, and the job holders to be affected are informed for the procedure of job evaluation. Due arrangements are made for setting up joint working parties, and the sample of job to be evaluated are selected at this stage. In the third stage, which is known as analyzing job, which is also known as analysis stage. See, this stage is the stage when required information about the sample which we have already selected in previous stage of job is collected. This information serves as the basis for internal and external evaluation of job. Now, if you see on the diagram, the fourth and fifth stage are the parallel stage. So internal evaluation and external evaluation both are parallel stage, so can go side by side. So the internal evaluation stage, uh, in this stage, the sample of benchmark job are ranked by the means of chosen evaluation scheme as drawn up in planning stage. Jobs are then graded on the basis of data collection of market rate data. Relative worth of job are ascertained by comparing grades between these jobs. An external evaluation stage, uh, in this stage, the information is collected on the market rate at the same time. So what is the market rate or the prevailing importance in the market for that particular job is collected. Next is sixth stage, which is designing stage. So having ascertained the grade for the job, salary structured are to be decided at this stage. So designing of salary is the main concern in this stage. Next, we move on to next stage, which is known as grading stage, grading the jobs. So this is the stage in which different jobs are slotted into the salary structure as designed in the preceding sixth stage. Then we move on to last stage, developing maintenance procedure, or it is also known as developing and maintaining stage. So this is the final stage of job evaluation program, and in this stage procedure for maintaining salary structure are developed with a view to accommodate all the informations or data collected in previous stage in salary levels, and grading new jobs into structure, and regarding the existing job in the light of these data are changed in their responsibilities or market rate, etc. So these are the steps which are required in job evaluation stage. However, in India, uh, the Indian Institute of Personnel Management, Kolkata, has suggested the 5 steps when it comes to a job evaluation program in an organization. So, according to the institute, these 5 stages are known as analysis and preparing job description stage, selecting and preparing the job evaluation program and plan, which is second stage. Third is we need to classify the jobs. Fourth, install the program, which is best determination program. And last is the maintenance of the program. So these 5 steps are basically self-explanatory. So we need not to discuss in detail. However, we have discussed the 8 stage process in uh, this lecture. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.